Hello children, welcome to maths class. Hope you are learning from these videos well. We are in chapter quadratic equation in exercise 4.3. In previous video we have done the work on quadratic method formula and then completing the square method, and then also some equations were there to solve and find the roots. All that work is done. Now we are going to start in this video question number 4, B4, and we have word problem here. Word problems we need to read, understand, convert it into quadratic equation and find what we are asked to find. So, let us see the question number 4 is here. The sum of reciprocal of Rahman's age in years 3 years from now and 5 years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. Find his present age, or what is his present age. So, we do not know what is his age now, percentage. We will start with that unknown one. So, let Rahman's present age be x year, be x years. Then when we see the question, so many terms are there. First is reciprocal, sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's age, but 3 years ago and 5 years from now. So, if his percentage is x, 3 years ago will be 3 years less and 5 years from now mean after. So, it will be 5 years plus 2 the percentage. I hope it is clear to you. So, let us do that. Therefore, 3 years ago his age was what? So, his age 3 years ago age was surely 3 years less, and then another one is 5 years from now, later 5 years later, and 5 years from now his age will be what? His age will be 5 years more than present age, a simple condition here. So, 3 years ago x minus 3 his age, and 5 years from now x plus 5 years age, and question is what telling? The sum of the reciprocal of his age, sum of the reciprocal. You know already reciprocal is what? X, reciprocal is 1 by x, anything 5, reciprocal is 1 by 5. So, his age is x minus, his age was 3 years ago x minus 3. So, reciprocal will be 1 by x minus 3. From 5 years from now his age will be x plus 5. So, its reciprocal will be 1 by x plus 5. Question is what telling here? As per the question, sum of the reciprocal of his age, sum mean plus. So, we will add these two. Reciprocal of his age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is how much? 1 by 3. So, this is the situation we have converted into equation form. Now, still we do not see here quadratic equation. So, we will go for simplifying. Last 3-4 questions you saw, when we do not see the given equation is in the form of quadratic equation, we will simplify and bring the form of quadratic equation, then solve by any method. That is what we have to do. So, read the statement, understand the situation, convert it into equation form, and then simplify and get the quadratic equation form. So, what shall we do? LCM we will take, like this question you have done, x minus 3 into x plus 5. You know already this LCM will be divided by denominator, same thing will be cut, cancel. So, x plus 5 into 1 will be x plus 5. This is plus only, we are not using bracket. If minus comes, we will use bracket, remember. So, x plus 5 will be cancelled now when we divide this LCM by denominator x plus 5. It is gone. X minus 3 into 1, x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. We look at the step and we work. X plus x, 2x, 5 minus 3 plus 2. In denominator what we see? Multiply these two binomial. Let us multiply. It is easy only, x into x, x square, x into 5 plus 5x minus 3 into x minus plus minus plus minus 5 3s are 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Now, all are unlike terms in numerator denominator. We go for cross multiplication. X square into 1 x square plus 5x into 1 5x minus 3x, we can do simplification this also 5 in minus 3 2x into 1 minus 15 into 1 and then 3 into 2x 3 into 2 3 2s are 6x 3 2s are 6. We will bring everything in RHS LHS, RHS will be 0. Let us do. We get it. What is here first in LHS? We write x square plus 2x minus 15. What comes from RHS? 6x, it will be minus and plus 6 also will be minus. RHS is now 0. Still we find some like term, x square is alone, 2x minus 6x. What will be? 2 is small, 6 is big, 1 negative, 1 positive. We will subtract 4, 6 minus 2, but sign of bigger number minus 4x. Minus 15 minus 6, same sign terms are added, you know that, and sign also will be same only, no, when we add same sign, negative negative number, negative only sign will be, okay. So, we have got the quadratic equation. Now, your wish you do it by quadratic formula, factorization, whatever method. So, let us go quadratic formula, so that we will have revision also. We need to compare, then we need to decide first, then only we will proceed according to the process. So, quadratic formula, we will compare this first with ax square plus bx plus c, comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So, here we will get what? We will get a is x square coefficient 1, that is minus 4, and c minus 21. Therefore, discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. b square we see minus 4 square will be this, minus 4ac, a is 1 and c is minus 21. Minus will be positive, it will become plus 4 square 16 minus minus plus 21 into 1 into 4 84. We get 100. So, d is greater than 0, we will get real and equal roots. Let us go by quadratic formula. So, by quadratic formula, we know formula we will write first. Alpha first root minus b plus root d by 2a. b is what? Minus 4, and it has one minus here also. So, minus minus 4 plus root d is 100 by 2 into a is 1. So, minus minus plus 4 plus root 100 10 by 2, we get what? 14 by 2, 14 by 2 is what? 7, and let us see beta is what? Minus b minus root d by 2a. So, we will write this formula and then straight we will come at this step, only sign will change. 4 minus 10, 4 minus 10 by 2, we will get what? Minus 6 by 2, 2 1s are 2 3s are. We get here another root is minus 3, one root is 7, another root is minus 3. Now, the question is related to what? Question is related to Rahman's age, and age of a person cannot be negative, that is very practically we can think how person age will be negative. That means, this root, this value we will neglect. Why? Because the age of a person, the age of a person can't be negative, just we write age cannot be negative. So, we are avoiding that value. Therefore, Rahman's present age is, Rahman's present age is how many years? 7 years. Hope you have understood it well. Let us go in question number 5. Question number 5 is, in a class test, the sum of Cephali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. There was a test student appeared, and together in mathematics and English she scored 30 marks together. So, let us see the condition here. We will read the next part of question after discussing this. So, what is said here? It is given in the question. Cephali's mark, Cephali, how is that? Shefali, okay. Cephali's marks in which two subjects? Let us see, maths plus English, together she has got 30 marks, and we do not know in maths how much she got and in English how much got. So, what to do? We will assume 1. This part we will do in rough side, so that fresh solution we will start. So, let us see this rough side. Maths plus English, she scored 30. We do not know any subject mark. So, we will consider any one subject. Let maths she scored X. So, in English how much she will score? She has scored. English will be 30 minus X. So, in maths if she has scored X, in English she has scored 30 minus X. So, Cephali's marks we will start. Let Cephali's mark in maths be X, therefore, her marks in English, will be 30 minus X, because together it is 30. You have understood from here, maths plus English 30, maths X, English 30 minus X. First part we have done. Let us read the question next to it. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English. So, now the question is telling different condition. If she had got 2 more marks in maths, so her mark is how much in maths? X. Had she got 2 more marks in maths. So, what would be her marks now? Therefore, maths mark will be marks will be 2 more, mean before suppose X, now it is X plus 2. And what about English mark? 3 mark less in English and 3 marks less in English. Therefore, her English mark will be how much? English mark will be less. It was 30 minus X, 30 minus X, 3 mark less, surely minus 30. So, her English mark would be 30 minus 3, 27 minus X. So, with this condition, had she got 2 more marks in maths, her mark would be now X plus 2, 3 marks less in English, her mark would be now 27 minus X. Then what happens? We will see the question. The product of their marks would have been 210. So, with this condition, thus her mark, if we multiply, we will get 210. Question is telling that now. So, as per the question, her marks in maths X plus 2 and her mark in English 27 minus X, their product is 210. So, situation statement what said we converted into equation. Now, we will go for simplifying it, get quadratic equation and then solving. Let us continue. X plus 2 into 27 minus X, X into 27, 27x, X into minus X square. First one we finished, 2 into 27, both are plus. So, 54, 27 into 2, plus 2 into minus X, minus 2x. 210 also let us bring in RHS, LHS, RHS 0 we have made now. Arrange, in what sense I am telling arrange? Ax square plus bx plus c to get. So, minus x square we will write first, then 27x minus 2x plus 25x, simple. 27 minus 2, 25. Number 54, 210. So, subtract 210 minus 54, if orally any doubt is there to do. 6, 10 minus 5, 5, 1, 156. Bigger number is negative, so minus 156 equal to 0. So, quadratic equation form coming here, only what we see with first term is minus. So, minus 1 we will take common, minus 1 from all the term. So, sign will be changing as we take minus common from all this. Minus 25 it will be x plus 156 is equal to 0. This minus 1 you know it is in into, it will go in RHS 0 by minus 1 it will become 0. So, the quadratic equation is what? X square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. Now, use quadratic formula, simple work here, comparing it with ax square plus bxc. We will write comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get here a is x square coefficient of x square 1, b minus 25 and c 156. Discriminant we will calculate, b square minus 4 ac, b is minus 25 whole square minus 4 into 1 into c is 156. Minus will become plus, 25 square will be 625. 4 into 6, 24, 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22, 4 5s are 20 plus 2, 22, 4 1s are 4 2, 6. What we get? 625 minus 624, 1. Discriminant is 1. Surely it is positive, it is greater than 0. So, it will have real roots, real and distinct root, we came to know now itself. Let us now use quadratic formula and find her marks by quadratic formula. Alpha first root minus b plus root d by 2a, that will be minus b, b is what? Minus 25. So, minus then again minus 25 plus root d 1, square root of 1 you know 1 will be 2 into a is also 1. So, what we are getting here? Minus minus plus 25 plus 1 by 2, 25 1 what will be? 26 by 2, 2 1s are 2 13s are. So, she has scored 13 marks in one subject. Later we will discuss about this. Another root, let us see, beta minus b minus root d by 2a. So, what shall we do? We will write formula and straight come in this step, only where the calculation is coming. 25 minus 1 by 2 it will be. So, 25 minus 1 by 2. So, it will be 24 by 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So, we are getting here both the values positive 13, 12, and we are talking about the marks she got in test. The thing is that we have assumed Cephali's mark in maths be x. So, which one we will take? 13 is also applicable here, 13 marks she might have got. So, if she has got 13 marks in maths, then in English 30 minus 13, or if she has got 12 mark in maths, that means in English 30 minus 12, 18. So, here both will be correct for this statement or for this situation. So, let us see how we conclude. So, we will use when maths mark, if she has scored in maths mark is 13, then English mark will be, English marks will be 30 minus 13, that is 17. So, answer you will be getting 13 marks in maths or 17 marks in English. Or when Maths mark we take another one, another value is also applicable here. When maths marks is 12, then English marks will be 30. English mark will be then 30 minus x, that is 12. So, 18 marks. So, both answer will be here correct for this situation. I hope you are understanding and learning well. See you in next video, that will be the continuation of the same exercise, word problem 4.3.